Pankaj Tripathi is regarded as one of the finest actors in Indian cinema today. But before the fame, awards and applause, there was a young man from Bihar struggling to fit into a new world in Delhi. In a recent interview, the actor opened up about the cultural shock he experienced after arriving in the capital in 2001 to pursue acting at the National School of Drama. Pankaj revealed that Delhi was completely different from the life he had known back home. When I came to Delhi in 2001, I faced cultural shock. It was the first time I saw girls smoking. I was like, ये कैसी लड़कियां हैं? What kind of girls are they? But after about 15 days, I realized that wasn't the right way to look at it. The actor also recalled how language became one of the biggest barriers during his early days in the city. Coming from a Hindi medium background, Pankaj said many people instantly judged him because he could not speak fluent English. People judged me very quickly because of my language. They assumed that if someone cannot speak English fluently, they must come from a poor background or lack exposure. People often judge your capability based on the language you speak, whereas in reality, the two have nothing to do with each other. Pankaj admitted that such experiences can easily push people into self-doubt and inferiority complexes. But he consciously refused to let those judgments affect his confidence. The actor said he never suffered from an identity crisis and believes that mindset helped him survive the difficult years of struggle in both Delhi and Mumbai. Years later, Pankaj Tripathi found his breakthrough with Anurag Kashyap's Gangs of Wasseypur in 2012. Since then, his effortless performances, grounded personality and relatable screen presence have made him one of the most respected and loved actors in the country. But the road to success was far from easy. During his struggling days in Mumbai, it was his wife Mridula who supported the family financially while Pankaj continued auditioning for roles. In an earlier interview, she described their difficult phase as a partnership where both simply did what was needed to keep going. From facing judgment over language and identity to becoming one of India's finest actors, Pankaj Tripathi's journey is a story of resilience, patience and self-belief.